Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the photo inside Google Photos or the standalone Google Lens app. This is the only reliable path to decode an image QR. Once the picture is open, make sure the QR square is centered and clearly visible. Blurry or cropped codes fail. Tap the lens icon to trigger analysis, and wait as Lens detects patterns. You do this because Lens runs on-device recognition and cloud fallback, which reads QR payloads from static images faster than. Once Lens identifies the code, it will highlight the result and present a preview or direct URL. This is where you extract the payload. Tap the preview to expand full text or select the open link prompt to visit the address. Do that only after visual verification. Make sure to inspect domain, path, and any shortened links. This step prevents phishing. If Lens shows plain text instead of a link, copy it to a note app and inspect it there. This gives you a chance to validate safely. To finish, act on the decoded result. Open verified links, copy codes, or save contact info. If Lens fails, retake the photo with better focus, increase contrast, or crop tightly so only the QR remains. Repeat the Lens scan. If problems persist, use a reputable QR app that imports images for decoding. And crucially, always preview and verify destinations. Never enter passwords or personal data unless you confirm the site is legitimate. That single troubleshooting tip keeps you secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.